Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. Happy New Year to all our new and returning subscribers. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make a healthy salad for weight loss. This salad is very healthy for those watching their weight and also those who are not watching their weight. Just stay tuned. I will tell you what to add or remove in the salad for weight loss or weight gain. The recipes we have for the healthy salad for weight loss are avocado, black pepper, salad cream for dressing, egg, parsley, lemon and celery. And lastly, I got onion and fresh tomato. You can use cherry tomato if you so wish. Let's start by boiling the egg. We'll allow the egg to boil for about 8 minutes, then bring it down, and that is it. Don't allow it to overcook, okay? Remove the boiled egg from the hot water. Put it inside a cold water with some ice cube. The essence of doing this is for the shell to easily removed without pulling off together with the egg white. Hope that makes sense. Please don't allow the egg to stay for a long time inside the ice cube. If not, reverse may be the case. 3 to 4 minutes is okay. Now let's prep our recipes. This is one of the many salad I know that does not take up to 10 minutes and it is ready. As you can see, I started with the avocado. I will dice it into a beautiful shape. This is how I'm cutting mine. You can give yours any shape you like. It does not really matter. Next is onion. I'll be adding a little onion, as we all know that the onion taste is very strong. I wouldn't like the taste of onion to overshadow other of my recipes, okay? Dice the celery as well. Please make sure you remove the little string of celery because you are using it for salad. As for me, I have done that off the camera to save time, okay? Add it to the salad as well. Dice the tomato as well and add it up. You can use cherry tomato or this one that I'm using. You can also remove the seed or leave them. There is nothing wrong about that, okay? Cut the parsley and add it up to the salad as well. This is the lemon. Cut it into two, squeeze out the juice and sprinkle it on the salad. Add a little black pepper to blend it up. Then mix very well to combine. Add salad cream. You can as well add olive oil at this stage if you want to use olive oil. Mix to combine, but please, if you are not yet ready to serve the salad, please don't mix cream yet, okay? Peel the egg with your kitchen knife just the shape you want, or you use your egg slicer to slice it if you have one. Use the egg to further design the salad. Sprinkle a little black pepper and enjoy. This is so lovely. On this junction, Virtuous family, our healthy salad for weight loss is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. This is the final result of the healthy salad for weight loss. I normally take this as a breakfast 4 times weekly. If you are not using it for weight loss, please don't add lemon juice, celery, parsley and black pepper and you are good to go. Hope you enjoyed today's video just as I like and enjoy bringing it to your doorpost. If you like the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today. From me and my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.